Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today's video is about 5-minute eggless chocolate cake in a microwave. So let's get started. I have taken some warm milk here, 1 plus 1/4 cup. To this add lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. As soon as you will add lemon to the warm milk, it will start to curdle. You will notice some white bits like this. So this is actually curdled milk. Just keep it aside, we will use it later in the recipe. Now I am going to prepare the container in which I will make the cake. Take little butter and grease your container on the sides and at the bottom with it. You can take any microwavable container like a glassware or silicone, but don't use metal. We are going to make a cake in the microwavable mode. Take a baking sheet and apply it on the bottom. Press it little bit with your hands and your container is now ready. Keep it aside. We will now sieve the dry ingredients that is used in the recipe. Take Maida or all-purpose flour 1 cup, cocoa powder 1/2 cup, baking soda 1/2 teaspoon and salt a pinch. Sieve the dry ingredients now. To this add powdered sugar 1/2 cup. I have taken 2 tablespoons extra. You can adjust the sweetness as per your liking. So here I have taken 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons more. Mix it well till all the ingredients are well combined. It's time to add the wet ingredients now. This is melted butter 75 grams. Use unsalted butter or skip the pinch of salt that we added before. Now this is the curdle milk that we had prepared earlier. Add the curdle milk gradually to the cake mix and keep on mixing it till it is well combined. You have to keep on repeating the same process till your entire cake batter is ready. So I have added little curdle milk and I will mix it. The cake batter is now ready. To this add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and give everything a final mix. So this is the desired consistency of the cake batter. I'll give you a close look. Transfer the cake batter in the container that we prepared earlier. Tap the container a little bit on the table and you will notice that the air bubbles will come out. For your cake in a microwave, my microwave is 900 watts, so I am setting it for 5 minutes 30 seconds. Depending upon the power of your microwave, you may need to adjust 10 or 20 seconds plus or minus. So finally the countdown is over. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I'll take out the container. Be a little careful guys, it might be hot. I will now transfer my cake to the cooling rack. But before that, take a wooden skewer and prick your cake. It has come out clean, which means that it is now cooked properly. I will now flip the cake upside down to remove the baking sheet. Be a little careful, the cake is soft. Remove the baking sheet. The cake is still hot, you'll notice steam coming out. Allow it to cool down a little bit. The cake has cooled down completely. In order to serve it, I will garnish it with some chocolate sauce and cocoa powder. I will cut the cake equally into 8 slices. Finally, the moment of truth. Look at it guys. The cake slice looks so beautiful. Look at the crumbs and the texture. It's so soft and spongy. I can't wait to take a bite. So soft. Enjoy! Please give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.